Two candidates apply to the same job. One reads the JD and applies, the other decodes the JD and gets shortlisted. What's the difference? One reads words, the other understands what the company actually wants. Today, I'll show you how to do that step by step. In this video, we will discuss how to analyze a real supply chain job description, break down job description line by line, show you what it actually means, and how you should prepare for it. Let's start. Step-by-step method to analyze any supply chain JD. Step 1. Identify the primary function, anchor point. What to look for. Job title. First 3 responsibilities. Example. Demand planning analyst. What it means. Core responsibility equals forecasting and demand accuracy. Why this matters. Everything else in the JD supports this core function. Output of Step 1. This role is mainly about what? Step 2. Extract the core business problem. Look at repeated words. Inventory, forecast, supplier, cost, delivery. Example JD lines. Improve forecast accuracy. Reduce stockouts. Translate into problem. Demand variability plus poor planning accuracy. Key insight. Repetition equals priority. Priority equals what you will be judged on. Output of Step 2. The company is struggling with what? Step 3. Convert responsibilities into outcomes. Example JD line. Manage inventory levels. Do not read literally. Convert it into. Maintain optimal inventory by balancing. Demand variability. Lead time. Service level. Framework. JD line. Real outcome. Manage inventory. Avoid stockouts plus reduce excess. Coordinate suppliers. Ensure on-time delivery. Analyze data. Improve decision-making. Output of Step 3. I will be responsible for achieving what? Step 4. Decode the skills, what they actually expect. JD says. Excel. ERP. Analytical skills. What it actually means. Excel. Not formulas, decision modeling. Forecast analysis. Inventory calculation. Scenario planning. ERP. Not navigation, process understanding. Order flow. Inventory movement. Planning integration. Analytical skills. Not theory, decision-making under uncertainty. Output of Step 4. They expect me to do what using these tools. Step 5. Identify hidden KPIs, critical step. JDs rarely mention KPIs explicitly, but every role is measured. Example mapping. JD statement. Hidden KPI. Improve forecast accuracy. Made by bias. Manage inventory. Inventory turns or service level. Supplier coordination. On-time delivery. Cost reduction. Procurement savings. Output of Step 5. My performance will be measured by what? Step 6. Identify what is not written, advanced skill. This is where top candidates differentiate. 1. Look for missing clarity. Example. Handle end-to-end supply chain. What it implies. Role ambiguity, multiple responsibilities. 2. Look for context gaps. Example. Improve efficiency. Ask. Efficiency in what? Cost. Lead time. Inventory. 3. Look for hidden pressure. Words like fast-paced, dynamic environment often indicate firefighting, demand volatility, poor systems. Output of Step 6. This role likely involves what challenges. Step 7. Build a JD skill map, your preparation blueprint. Now convert everything into preparation. Example, JD requires demand planning, inventory management, Excel. Your preparation plan. 1. Demand planning. Learn forecasting basics. Practice demand analysis. 2. Inventory. Understand safety stock. Learn inventory KPIs. 3. Excel. Build dashboards. Practice scenario modeling. Final output. To crack this role, I must develop which skills? 8. Real example, full breakdown. JD snippet. Responsible for demand planning, inventory optimization, and cross-functional coordination. Step-by-step decode. Step 1. Function. Planning role. Step 2. Problem. Demand-supply mismatch. Step 3. Outcomes. Improve forecast accuracy. Maintain optimal inventory. Step 4. Skills. Forecasting. Inventory modeling. Excel. Step 5. KPIs. Forecast accuracy. Service level. Inventory turns. Step 6. Hidden insight. Requires strong stakeholder communication. Final understanding. This role is about improving planning accuracy and balancing inventory vs service. 9. How to prepare strategically based on JD. 1. Prioritize skills. Don't study everything. Focus on what JD emphasizes most. 2. Build evidence. Instead of saying, I know Excel. Show. Dashboard model case example. 3. Align resume. Use JD language. Mirror keywords plus outcomes. 4. Prepare interview stories. Each JD point 1 story, problem, action, result. 10. Final framework, quick checklist. Before applying, ask, what is the core function? What problem are they solving? What outcomes are expected? What skills are actually needed? What KPIs define success? What is hidden in the JD? If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.